Here's the truth. Teeth grinding isn't just a bad habit.
It's a condition that affects millions of adults, and it destroys teeth, disrupts sleep, and creates constant pain if you don't treat it. The worst part, most people don't even realize they're doing it until the damage is already severe.
But here's the good news. With the right strategies, you can control bruxism, protect your teeth, and finally wake up without pain.
Maybe you wake up with headache, jaw pain, or even cracked teeth, and you don't know why. Chances are you grinding your teeth at night. Hi, I'm Dr. Eva Lopez, dentist and author of Stop Teeth Grinding, and in this video, I'm going to share powerful steps you can take today to finally get relief for bruxism right at home. First, identify triggers. Stress, caffeine, and poor sleep are the top culprits. Recognizing your triggers is the first step to taking control. 2. Relax before bed. Simple jaw relaxation exercise or a warm compress can drastically reduce clenching at night. Third, protect your teeth. Night guards, even affordable over-the-counter ones, can prevent cracks, chips, and enamel wear. These are just the beginning. Imagine how much better you'll feel with a clear step-by-step plan designed to stop grinding and restore your quality of life. If you're ready to protect your smile, sleep better, and finally stop waking up in pain, click the link below and get your copy of Stop Teeth Grinding today. Your teeth and your mornings will thank you.